Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning into today's video. It's Frankie. I'm gonna inform you guys really quick as to what are the following clips you're about to watch. I was able to get my hands on a full wide body kit for my car because I did contact the creators of this kit and I have not gotten an ETA or any information as to when I would receive it, but I had to make sure it was securely on before I go on that trip to San Francisco. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I appreciate you guys tuning in, okay? Thank you guys for tuning into another video. It's Frankie. Today's video is going to be about the fiberglass installment. If you guys remember from the last video, we ripped this thing apart. It came off on the freeway, but I got a new piece. I did try to contact Fender flares. No response, nothing. And from contacting other people, from what I've heard, they never even contact you back. There's been people waiting for a year or more. So now I'm getting second thoughts about this company, but luckily I was able to get my hands on a piece, actually a whole kit. Well, what I'm gonna do is make whole brand new molds just like these ones and recreate them and let them be for purchase for you guys, just in case you guys are missing any pieces, since these guys don't respond back. Now, to get it to stick to the car, what I did use is window weld super fast urethane. Now this thing is what I use for the whole entire car, so I used it for this piece as well. As you guys could see, it's on there really good. Just be careful because it does get your car dirty if you don't wipe it off in time. This stuff is very adhesive. As you guys can see, it filled and it looks flush to the car, so that's the good thing. I also use nails to prevent it from blowing off this time again, and I use some pretty nice looking nails. Now this is not the way to do it, there's other ways, but this is my way. This car is not meant to look pretty, it's actually meant to be a daily, so I really don't care. But I do want it to also be kind of up to spec. I don't want to have missing fender flares. So what is next for this process is to sand this down, and then we're gonna use brattle can spray, these products right here. Reason being, I don't have time to paint. I do have a paint gun, I just really don't have time for it right now. I'm on a really busy schedule, so I'm gonna use this for now, and then when I do have the time, I'm gonna sand it down and then repaint all these fenders, because there are a lot of rock chips, as you guys can see. So what I'm gonna do is wet sand with 600 grit sandpaper. Let's get to it. Now after sanding, what's left to do is masking off all the areas I don't want painted. So we're just gonna mask off my bumper, fender, all that, just so I could have this exposed so we could start painting. Next step is just putting primer on. I got everything wrapped up, everything covered that I don't want painted. Car is ready to go. First layer of primer on. As you guys could see, we did 8 inches apart, coming out pretty good. That's the first layer. Gonna do probably about 3 coats. All right, primer's all done. All left to do is paint and then clear coat. So let's start off. What I'm using for paint is Duplicolor Perfect Match original factory colors. So this one right here is just a universal black. I'm using this one. Car is in ebony black, but for now I'm going to use this, and then when I have the time I'm going to repaint all these parts once again. This is the last coat of black. Now it's time to do quick coats in sections. Up next, clear coat. I brought the car out all the way to San Francisco. Yes, from Orange County all the way down to San Francisco. It was an 8-hour trip because of traffic, but man, the freeways were so bad. Check it out. There's San Fran. Pretty nice location right now. But yeah, I brought the car out from all the way over there, and man, was it a sketch, especially when you only have 2 inches off the ground in the front bumper. I'm about to show you guys some damage, and I know you guys have been wondering how did the car come out after installing the wide body kit, and there's some new parts on the car as well. So I know you guys want to see what's new to the car. I'm about to show you. Well, first, actually, here's the wide body kit I installed. As you guys can see, it's on there perfect. Fitment is better than before. Only issue is I didn't paint match it. I didn't have time, so I painted it myself. Now here's the new mod. We got the carbon fiber trunk with the carbon fiber wicker bill spoiler. Guys, this is made from KDM, California. If you guys want to go hit pre-orders, go check them out.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the...
Alright guys, we're mixing up 93, making a fresh batch. We're putting 3.3 gallons of E85 right here, and then we're going to do the remaining, give it a second, I think it's 11.66 of 91 to make 93 octane, give or take. It's not always accurate. Every location has a different percentage of E85. I'm filling up with gas right now because we're actually going back home. I know I didn't show you guys a lot of the trip. The reason being is, honestly, it was not safe for me to record. The roads here are so bad. I'm gonna show you guys an example. Look at that big fat pothole right there. Yeah, my front lip is cracked. It's really bad, my front lip at the moment. I broke a couple things just from being here. I'm gonna show you guys right now. Let me just let this thing hit 11.66. We're almost there. Alright fam, and like that, we're back in my hometown. So the trip was fun. I didn't record much because honestly I couldn't record. The streets were really bad and I was worried if I get distracted I was gonna damage more on the car. I'm gonna show you guys what happened. Right down here on the side skirt, I hit a pothole and it cracked my side skirt. That could be fixed. As you could see, there's spider webbing, but that's fine. But from what I think the CU joint broke. I have this crazy offset here, very deep. I don't know if you guys could see. The wheel's tucked in very deep compared to the other side. This one is not as deep, so that's something I'm gonna need to fix. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. That's gonna be a wrap. I appreciate you guys. But stay true to yourself. I'll catch you guys in the next video, okay? Peace.